Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best labor gowns is probably one of the most crucial items to pack for your hospital delivery, offering a blend of comfort, functionality, and style during a transformative time, ensuring you feel as prepared and at ease as possible for the journey ahead. Number 5. Ekouaer Women's Short Sleeve Maternity Nightgown. Introducing the Ekouaer Maternity Nightgown, designed for ultimate comfort during your pregnancy and beyond. Its short sleeve design offers breathability and ease of movement. Perfect for nursing, delivery, labor, or simply relaxing at home. This nightgown adapts to your changing needs throughout your motherhood journey. Featuring convenient buttons, this nightgown makes nursing or any medical access simple and discreet. You'll appreciate the thoughtful design. Crafted from soft, breathable fabric, it ensures you stay comfortable day and night. Feel good and look good during this special time. Available in sizes S to XXL, finding the perfect fit is easy. This gown is made to accommodate your growing bump and beyond. This is the ideal choice for your hospital stay. Its practical features and comfortable fit will make your experience much smoother. What we like. This gown offers convenient button access for nursing and a comfortable short sleeve design. If you prioritize ease of use and a classic, comfortable fit during your hospital stay, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a simple yet functional nightgown. What people say. The gowns are made of a soft, breathable fabric that is comfortable to wear during labor and postpartum. The design features easy access for breastfeeding and skin-to-skin contact with the baby. The gowns have adjustable straps and a snap front closure, making them practical for medical examinations and nursing. Number 4. Frida Mom 15-Piece Labor and Postpartum Kit. Introducing the Frida Mom 15-Piece Labor and Postpartum Kit. It's the perfect gift for expecting mothers and baby showers. This comprehensive set includes essential items for your recovery journey. You'll find everything you need for comfort and care. It features a peri bottle, nursing gown, and disposable underwear for maximum convenience. You'll feel supported and comfortable during this special time. Experience soothing relief with ice maxi pads, pad liners, and perineal foam. These items are designed to help you heal and feel better. We've also included cozy socks and a handy toiletry bag. It's a thoughtful collection designed to pamper you from labor through postpartum. Give the gift of comfort and care with this all-in-one kit. It's the ideal present for any mom-to-be. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes not only a nursing gown but also all the essentials for postpartum recovery. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution or a thoughtful gift for an expecting mother, this set covers all the bases. It's ideal for those who want to be fully prepared for both labor and the days that follow. What people say. The gowns are made of a soft, breathable fabric that is comfortable to wear during labor and postpartum. The design features easy access for breastfeeding, with snaps or zippers on the front. The gowns are durable and hold up well after multiple washes, maintaining their shape and color. Number 3. Ekouaer Women's Striped V-Neck Nightgown. Introducing the Ekouaer Women's Nightgown, a perfect blend of comfort and style for your relaxation. Featuring a flattering V neckline, this nightgown offers a touch of elegance to your loungewear. Crafted from ultra-soft fabric, it ensures a comfortable and breathable feel all night long. The convenient button-down front makes it easy to wear and adjust for your ultimate comfort. With chic 3/4 sleeves, it provides just the right amount of coverage and a stylish look. This versatile sleep dress is perfect for lounging, sleeping, or even casual wear around the house. Available in a range of sizes from S to XXL, finding your perfect fit has never been easier. What we like. Featuring a stylish V-neck and 3/4 sleeves, this nightgown adds a touch of fashion to your hospital wear. If you appreciate a bit of style even during labor and delivery, and prefer a slightly longer sleeve, this option is for you. It's suitable for those who want to feel put together while staying comfortable. What people say. The gowns are made of a soft, breathable fabric that is comfortable against the skin. The design features easy access for breastfeeding with snaps on the front. The gowns are durable and have held up well after multiple washes. Number 2. Frida Mom Labor and Delivery Gown. Introducing the Frida Mom Labor and Delivery Gown, designed for comfort and convenience during your childbirth experience. It's the perfect companion for this special time. Featuring easy snap access, this gown makes labor and delivery a breeze. Enjoy the ultimate comfort with its thoughtful design. Say goodbye to irritating tags. This gown is tagless, ensuring maximum comfort against your skin throughout your stay. Facilitate precious skin-to-skin contact with your newborn right after birth. This gown is designed to make those first moments even more special. Experience peace of mind with full coverage in the back. You can feel secure and confident while wearing it. This is your essential companion for the hospital. It combines practicality with a focus on your well-being during labor and delivery. What we like. Designed for ultimate convenience, this gown boasts easy snap closures for quick nursing and skin-to-skin contact. If you prioritize seamless access for your baby and appreciate full coverage in the back, this is the gown for you. It's perfect for mothers who want to facilitate bonding and feeding with ease. What people say. The gowns are made of a soft, breathable fabric that is comfortable against the skin. The design features easy access for breastfeeding with snaps on the front. The length of the gowns is appropriate for hospital stays, providing good coverage. Number 1. Ekouaer 3-in-1 Labor and Delivery Gown. Introducing the Ekouaer 3-in-1 gown, designed for ultimate comfort during labor, delivery, and your hospital stay. Experience versatility like never before. This gown is thoughtfully created to support you through every stage. Its thoughtful design ensures ease of movement and access when you need it most. Designed with new mothers in mind, it offers convenient access for breastfeeding. This feature makes nursing your baby simple and discreet. Crafted from soft, breathable materials, it provides all-day comfort. You'll feel relaxed and at ease throughout your hospital stay. Available in sizes S to XXL, this gown is made to fit every body type beautifully. Find the perfect fit for your comfort and confidence. From labor to recovery, this is your go-to garment. It's the perfect blend of style, comfort, and practicality for new mothers. What we like. This versatile gown serves as a labor, delivery, and hospital nightgown, with built-in features for breastfeeding. If you're looking for a multifunctional garment that transitions smoothly from labor to postpartum and beyond, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for expecting mothers who want a practical and supportive piece throughout their journey. What people say. The gowns are made of a soft, breathable fabric that is comfortable to wear during labor and postpartum. The design features easy access for breastfeeding with snaps on the front and shoulders. The gowns are durable and have held up well after multiple washes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.